Everyone is sleeping on this AI car transform niche right now, and it is quietly blowing up on TikTok. I found pages pulling millions of views on simple transformation videos. And the crazy part is, these videos take just a few minutes to create and are making real money through the TikTok monetization program and affiliate sales. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how I create these viral AI car transform videos step by step. No fluff, no complicated tools. And to prove it, here is one I made in under 5 minutes. So, to get started, the first thing you want to do is head over to ChatGPT. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side and click on Explore GPTs. Inside the GPT marketplace, go ahead and search for Viral Car Transform Generator. You'll see a few options pop up, but make sure you choose the one created by AI Pipeline. That's the one specifically designed for this exact niche. Click on it, hit Start Chat, and once it loads up, tap on Give Me Ideas. Now this is where things get interesting. The generator will instantly give you 10 different car transformation ideas you can work with. You're not locked into those options either. You can simply pick a number, type in your own custom idea, or even ask it to generate more variations if you want something different. For this example, I'm going to go with idea number 4. As soon as you select it, the GPT will automatically build everything you need. It gives you a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt, all perfectly structured for creating viral content in this niche. No guesswork, no trial and error. So what you want to do now is copy the first image prompt and then head over to Google Flow. I'll leave the link in the description so you can access it easily. Once you're inside Flow, paste your prompt into the prompt box. Then switch over to the image generation section and under the model settings, select Google Nano Banana 2. Next, set your output format to 9:16 because that's what performs best for TikTok and Shorts. Then choose how many images you want to generate and hit Generate. When your results come in, take a second to really look at them. You'll notice details like motion blur, lighting, reflections, all of that cinematic polish that instantly grabs attention. That's exactly what makes people stop scrolling. Pick the one that stands out the most to you. Set and download it at 2K resolution so your visuals come out sharp and scroll stopping. Then select it as your reference image. Now, go back to the GPT, copy the second image prompt, and bring it right back into Google Flow. Paste it in, keep all your settings exactly the same, and generate again. This second set of images is where the transformation really comes to life. In my case, it generated a fully detailed mechanical horse fused with Ferrari bodywork, glowing eyes, insane textures. The level of detail here is what makes these videos feel high-end and viral ready. At this point, you've got your before and after frames ready. Now it's time to turn them into an actual video. Head over to FlexClip. You can find the link either in ChatGPT or in the description below. Once you're inside, click on AI Video Studio, and from the left sidebar, choose Image to Video. Under the model settings, select Kling 3. Then upload your 2 images. Your first image will be your starting frame, and your second image will be your ending frame. Now go back to the GPT one more time and copy the video prompt it generated for you. Paste that directly into the prompt box inside FlexClip. Before you generate, make sure your audio toggle is turned on. Then set your format to 9:16, resolution to 720p, and duration to 10 seconds. Once everything looks good, hit Generate. Give it a moment, and just like that, your transformation clip is ready. Let's preview it. Now for the final step, which is what really makes these videos look like the ones you see going viral everywhere. Download your clip and drop it into your editing software. Then, add a text overlay. Start by typing the name of the car and place it above the vehicle. Add a border or outline so it stands out clearly against the footage. Duplicate that text layer. On the second layer, type a plus symbol and position it right in the middle. Then duplicate it one more time, and on the third layer, write what the car is transforming into. Place it above that element in the frame. That simple format, car name, plus sign, transformation result, is exactly what you see across almost every viral video in this niche. And that's literally it. From idea to finished video in just a few minutes. Here are a few other examples I created using this exact same method. All the tools and links you need are down in the description below. And if you want more breakdowns on viral AI niches like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one.